Today I will show you how to create your own music using Suno AI and upload it to YouTube in just a few steps. Step 1. Go to suno.ai and sign in using Google, Discord, or email. Once inside, click Create. Step 2. Choose how you want to create your song. Simple mode is fast. Custom mode gives you full control. For best results, turn on Custom mode. Step 3. Paste only your song lyrics into the lyrics box. Use verse and chorus sections, and always write original words. Step 4. In the style box, describe the music vibe, not the lyrics. For example, inspirational island music, acoustic guitar, uplifting mood.
Step 5. Choose your song length. Short clips are best for Shorts and TikTok. Full songs are best for YouTube. Step 6. Click Download and select Video with Waveform. This gives you an MP4 file ready for YouTube. Step 7. Upload the MP4 to YouTube. Add your title, description, and tags, then publish.
That is it. You have just created and uploaded your own music using Suno AI.